Alright, so the screen flickering or flashing on Windows 11 happened because of two major reasons. Number one, it can be because of the driver related issues, where the issue can be because the graphic driver is incompatible, corrupted or outdated, causing the entire display to flicker. Number two, it can be because of any application. So an app issue means a specific application is conflicting with Windows display rendering. And the quickest way to tell the difference is the task manager test. So what you need to do, press Ctrl, Shift and the Escape key from your keyboard and it will bring up the task manager. So if your task manager also flicker along with everything else, you have a driver problem. But if the task manager stays stable while other windows flicker, an application is causing the problem. So let's see what all the possible solution you can try. Now number one, with that I would recommend you is to reset the graphic driver. So on your PC or on your laptop, you have to use the shortcut key, that is Windows, Control, Shift and the B key. B as in Bravo. So you need to press them all together. Windows key, Control key, Shift and the B key. And once you press all these keys together, you will find the screen will flash again for a while. That indicates that you have resetted and restarted your graphic driver. And most of the time applying this simple solution fix the problem, so you can also give a try. And in case if this doesn't work for you, then next we have to assure that the problem is with the software or from the hardware end. And the easiest way to find out that the problem is with the software or with your hardware is to restart your computer in the safe mode. So click on your Windows search, type msconfig. In the suggestion you will be getting system configuration, click on it. Here from the top menu option, you need to click on boot. Then below you will find the boot option. You need to check the option of save boot and you can choose it to network. Click on apply, click on OK and then click on restart. So the computer will now be starting up in the safe mode, and here in the safe mode, if your screen doesn't flicker, it doesn't flash, then it means the problem was with the software and your hardware is working absolutely perfect. But in case in the safe mode also if your screen is flickering, then you need to understand that the problem is with the hardware end. It can be because of many issues like your graphic card or your RAM. It can be anything. But for most of you, what I'm assuming that after coming to safe mode, your screen will stop flickering or flashing. And that clearly indicate that the problem is with either with the drivers, with any kind of application. And that's what I will be troubleshooting now. So next what you need to do, right click on Windows icon, click on settings. In the system setting, you have to look for display, click on it. Then scroll down a bit and you will find advanced display, click on it. And in the advanced display, you need to look for the refresh rate option. If you have recently changed the refresh rate, if you have increased it, like if you click on the drop down here, you have changed from 90 to 120, from 75 to 120. From 120 to 144 Hz, try to reduce it again, try to revert it. Many times it happens because of changing the refresh rate, which is even not supported. You may have the flickering or the flashing issues. So recall your mind, and if you have recently changed the refresh rate, then revert it back. In case if you don't find the refresh rate here, then you can click on display adapter properties for display 1. Then click on monitor and probably here you will find the refresh rate. Once done, now you can close it. Next, right click on Windows icon again. Look for device manager. Click on it. Look here for the monitor option. Once you get the monitor, double click on it to expand it. And you will find your monitor listed here. Make a right click on it. Click uninstall device. Click uninstall again. Once uninstall, you also need to look for the display adapter. Again, make a double click on it. And your graphic card will be displayed. Make a right click on it again, click uninstall device and again click uninstall. Now you can close it. Next, bring up settings again. So make a right click on Windows icon, click on settings, click on apps from the left hand side, click on installed apps. So here it will display all kind of application that you have installed. Now you need to look for the application you believe you have currently installed. And after that only you are having this kind of flickering or flashing problem. Alright, so look for any similar application that you have currently installed. On the right of that application, you will find the 3 dot. You need to click on it and then click uninstall. So try to uninstall those applications that you have currently installed. As I said in the beginning, there can be a problem with the display rendering because of the problematic application. Now, part of this, if you are also using any application like Discord, then you need to make sure that you disable the hardware acceleration from that particular application. So all these kind of application, they have the settings where you can go and you will find the hardware acceleration option. You can disable it. Alright, so once you are done doing all this troubleshooting, now we need to exit out from the safe mode. And for that, again, you can click on Windows Search, type msconfig, and you will be getting system configuration. You need to click on it. From the top, click on the boot option, uncheck the save boot, click on apply, and click on OK. Click on restart and wait until the computer comes up in the normal mode, and this time probably I'm very sure it will be reinstalling the graphic drivers and the monitor drivers, and the screen will not be flickering anymore. Alright, so once the computer gets restarted, probably your issue will be resolved. But in case still if you have very similar issues, then additionally what else I would recommend you, click on Windows Search, type CMD, click Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Now here basically you have to run two different commands first. So the first one will be sfc / scan now and hit the enter key. Now this command will take some time because it will be scanning all your system files, so you will have to wait until it's all been 100% done. And once it get completed, now the next command that you have to enter will be the DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Again hit the enter key, and this command will also may take some time, so you will have to wait again. And once both these commands get completed, you need to shut down your computer, and after shutting down you need to remove the power cable. If you are using a PC, you need to remove the power cable, you need to remove the LAN cable, all kind of cable, all kind of ports are connected. You have to unplug it. After unplugging it, you have to press and hold the power button for like 15 to 20 seconds. Keep holding it, and after 20 seconds you can plug back your adapter, your power cable, all kind of cable, and then restart the computer. I'm pretty sure your issue will be resolved. You can do the same with the laptop. You can remove the adapter, the charging adapter, shut down the computer, press and hold the power button for like 15 to 20 seconds, and after that connect the charger again and restart the laptop, and I'm pretty sure it will be working absolutely perfect. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully after applying all this solution you will be surely getting the solution. And if yes, please let me know in the comment section which method worked for you, and I see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.